Hello everybody out there, this is Shell with the Finer Point Spa and Body Aesthetics in St. Louis, Missouri. I just wanted to leave a little bit of a review and about DeMarcus and Eric and the Laser Aesthetics digital marketing team. Those of you out there that are looking for a company to help grow your business and take it to a different level, I highly recommend Laser Aesthetics. The one thing that I like about them is that they are hands-on. The leads that they get you are good qualified leads, and better yet, I don't have to call the leads. They handle that for you. They have a team of their own staff that actually will pick up the phone, call the leads, make the appointments for you, and they know how to cultivate those leads and turn them into warm leads, and then turn them into leads that are clients that are walking through your door, because they are also involved in the spa industry. DeMarcus has the Cloud9 Spa, and you know, that's one thing that I liked that helped me make the decision. One of the decisions in going with them is because the fact that they're in the business, they're in the industry, so they know how to answer those questions and talk to potential clients about the services that we provide. I was a little reserved at first because I've worked with other digital marketing companies. There's one out there that a lot of people are using, Patient Rhino, and you know, I don't want to say anything bad about them as a company. You know, they did get me the leads, how they had everything set up, but you know, if there was an issue and I wanted to get a hold of someone, they just weren't available. Sometimes it took a couple days. You know, in this industry, sometimes those are things, you know, when you have issues with your Facebook ad or a payment gateway, you know, you want to get those resolved as quickly as possible. And that's what I loved about with Eric and DeMarcus. I mean, even on the weekends, if I needed to talk to them in the evening, they were there for me to help me work things out. And it's just been incredible what they've done for my business. I started out with them with a gift card campaign, and then we moved to the Facebook ad campaign, where it's just been incredible. Just the short time that I've been with them, just in the month that we kind of got things started, I've already had 9 booked appointments, which is just phenomenal at this time of year, and with the pandemic going on. They have just been incredible. Just this last week, I've had 20 leads come through, and you know, the fact that they're taking care of those leads means a lot, really means a lot in this industry. You don't want to pay money for something that's not going to give you a good turnaround, and I highly recommend Laser Aesthetics for that reason, because they helped me to get to a next level that I really wanted to grow to. And I'm just looking so forward to my future with them. And I just have to say, I give them a thumbs up, 5-star rating. You will not go wrong by adding them to your business as your digital marketing team. So thank you so much. Goodbye, and hope all of you have success like I did.